Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how to cut some Chinese bang. This is a wig that I made. I made it like all my other wigs. However, with this bang wig, I'm going to use a lace closure just so that at the top it looks more like a scalp than, just like a black dot. So anyways, I'm just going to section off where I want my bangs to be, and then I'm going to clip it, and then I'm just going to start straightening the hair. The hair that I'm using, it is 9A body wave, and I think I got two 12 inches with a 10-inch closure. And so once I'm at the top, I'm just gonna straighten the closure the way that I want the hair to fall, which is like forward. The flat iron that I'm using is a titanium flat iron. I got it from the beauty supply store. I'm not sure how much it was, but it works really, really good. So what I'm doing now is just sectioning off where I want my bangs to be and, getting everything in order. So then I'm going to use the twist cutting method. I'm just going to take it and twist it. And then I'm going to cut above the line, and that's going to be, my length. So I'm going to start off by cutting it a little bit longer so that, if I need to go shorter, I can. Okay, so now looking at the top of the wig, you see it looks like an actual scalp and it looks more realistic. But anyway, so you see the twist cutting method kind of gives you like a guide. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it again until I get it, however short that I want it. Okay, so then I just put it all back into a ponytail, and then I'm going to cut below my ponytail holder, and this is going to give me like a guideline to a blunt cut. Then, as you can see, I got the guide. I'm just going to even it up around the bottom. And then I'm just going to point cut into the bangs just to give it more of like a jagged kind of look than, a straight look. Alright, and this is how it looks. This is how the top is looking. I was able to add an elastic band onto it. This is how the inside looks. And yeah, very nice and natural. And here are the finishing results. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will definitely talk to you later. If you want to buy a wig or, order a wig, you can follow me on Instagram or Facebook at Slate by Tamia. And you can contact me there. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.